Are you under there making noise?
Yep, I'm under here making the noise.
Ooh, and oh, look at that. What's the problem? I see a problem.
No problem.
No problemo. All better. So now
No problem. That would be a Jamaican term.
Yeah.
And another Jamaican term would be Ira.
Ira.
Do you know what Ira is?
Ira, don't know.
Ira means you have a good aura about you.
Oh.
Good spiritual feeling and happiness.
Okay, we'll see what it looks like when it's all done, cleaned up. And
you have a
we'll
good
see what
Ira about you, Bob.
We'll see. We'll see when Gibby's done there putting the drive shaft in. So he's getting that in now.
So this is
And
done.
this will be on the ground.
It's all beautified.
Wipe her down.
Yep,
Back
looking
into
good.
Eddie's room.
Get the door on it, windshield on it. Bada boom, bada bing.
Bada boom, bada bing. Put it in Eddie's room.
Yep, back to Eddie.
You about done under there?
About done.
All right.
You got a spray can?
Okay, so once you get it straight, then the work starts to really get it straight.
Dream T top.
Yes, this is my dream tee. So you're blocking. We've already got it blocked once in the Bondo, and now you're blocking in.
Reblock, reprime, make it slick.
What do you got there? Maybe 150 probably?
150 right now? Yes, sir.
150.
Yep.
You can kind of see there's no guide coat, but you can kind of see the different
Colors.
colors where it's not sanded here, but it is sanded here.
And
So
it's
that's
all
what the block is doing.
it's
Once
all
you get it
uniform
all
here.
like that. That's like you're straight. Right now, it's like you could say there's a little bit of a wave going into there and there, but I mean it's pretty straight.
Yeah, we'll get her blocked out, make
So
her
block
nice.
it out one more time,
Get it all rounded up, looking good.
prime it again, and then it goes to Eddie
Yes.
for the interior part of the
Back window
upholstery.
in it.
Back
Interior
window.
in it.
I think we'll put the once you get it primered,
You gotta get some hinges on it.
we'll get the
you said?
hinges on it today, and then Monday he can start on it.
Yeah, we'll put the hinges on there before we prime it.
Yep, sounds like a good idea.
Yep.
We got lots of blocking. Actually, lots of blocking. It's got to be straight. If that ain't straight,
That is your focal point. You walk up, that's gonna punch you right in the face.
yeah.
So we're gonna make her beautiful.
So it's pretty much got a coat of Bondo on the whole of it, except for what you see don't have Bondo is the high spots.
Primer.
Prime it again.
So we'll reprime it, reblock it again.
First, we're gonna get these hinges working now.
Bring the top working, flipping around, moving.
Eddie just had the house, but we got this little jig for putting gauges together. Put the wire loom in there. That way we can get everything all wired up and fitting right into where it goes. Move the wires. So we got to split the headlight wires and make sure some of them go to the left, some of them go to the right. That means it goes where it does. And then this all goes into the orange sea cab. So the orange sea cab is getting ready to go home.
I opened that door back up, Bob. I had to ask some air.
Are you liking where you're going?
I kind of am.
Stand back and look at it, Bob. What do you think?
I like him as far out as we can, but I
You
don't
can't get out
know.
on that curve because it's going to change it when you open it. You
Right,
know what I mean?
it'll
You
run.
need to be on the
We
flat.
got a lot of slop in here.
A lot of slop.
So that's a good thing. So we can. What we really want is that hinges about like that, parallel with each other. But with that amount of slop in there,
Yeah,
it's still going to open.
yeah.
So
We'll
it
make
won't-
sure
it
that
won't
we'll
bind.
keep
If
them
they
all
were tight
centered.
hinges, they would bind. So
Right.
I'm not concerned. Should I be concerned?
No, no.
Okay, I won't be concerned then.
No.
All right, so we're just randomly ramming sliding screws in, tappers in, huh?
Yeah,
But they're making smaller holes than we're going to use.
right.
Correct.
But we are going to use
Nut and bolt.
nut certs.
Yeah.
Not desserts.
Nuts
Nut
certs on the
certs.
car, nuts and
The
bolts
front.
on this.
A Vico, an old name in body bolt. So looks something like this. So we're going to use a 1/4 20. That way you drill a hole, you put it in, and there's a tool that
It works like a
it
pop
feels-
rivet.
Feels like a rivet, and it'll go into here. And that way when you pull them out, it'll stay threaded.
And it's flush with the car.
Flush with the car, and these bottom hinges will stay on. You can see these pins here will pop out.
Put them rings on there so they don't come out when we flip this open. What do you think?
So we're fixing to see if it works.
Yeah, we're almost.
I would have liked to make the hinges a little bit wider. It'll take some of this kind of slop out, but there's just too much angle on the back of the car. It just won't work. These are offset. These have got to be Allen found the right hinges. They're offset for that. So I think they're going to work perfect.
We got one ring on there.
So
no
we're
problem.
fixing to see here. Should we just do this? And we'll open it for the first time on camera. Let them see if we got a mistake or not.
I already got those, Gibby. I already did.
These guys, turn the fan on, I turn the fan off, turn the fan on, too much noise. So here's the deal. Josh said somebody called wanting to know if Gibby would sell his box. And he was like, no, but then he was like, well, yeah, everything can be for
Where's the
sale.
tip part, Gibby?
So, I'm gonna sell Gibby's box right here. Are you gonna sign it? It's probably already signed. So we got some of these tune-up boxes here. They come with it. And what is this? This is like a brand new Montezuma.
That's a Montezuma. Yeah.
Okay, and it's like a. It's just. How's this go down?
Push.
Pull it out.
Push. Just straight down. Bob.
Pull it
Straight
up.
down. Push.
Push straight down.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. That comes down. Well, that's pretty nice, actually.
That's right. It's done.
Got all that. Boxes there, boxes there. You're gonna fix the fan? We're gonna get a fan
Yeah,
for that?
I'm gonna fix that fan tonight.
Everybody's asking, how come you don't get this fan going?
Bob, come on
So
over.
we want, I'm gonna sell it for you, Gibby.
Okay.
$5,000, and Gibby will sign it. And you can get your picture taken with Gibby when you come pick it up.
That's going to take from the value on it.
Right.
Over here.
Oh, wait. All right, it's on. Tightened up. I like the idea that the hinges are somewhat, got a little bit of wobble in them.
Here we go. 1,
Watch the glass, don't lift up too quick.
3.
Oh, that went. Oh, look at that. It lifted right off of that. Oh, check that out.
Pretty sweet.
I like it.
Now, how far we want to go back, maybe?
No, that's just never going to go that far back. Bring it back down. About there.
Very light. Feels very good.
Yeah.
Nose feels heavy.
Well, you got all the weight. I ain't holding it.
So could make some kind of a stop underneath there, probably.
A little leg you drop down,
Something. I don't know.
or a leg you pull
All
up.
right, so put it down, but watch it go into that slot. What we don't want is that to be catching that window. Goes in there, don't hit the window at all. Done.
Put it on down.
We had the master Bob work on that. He did that, so that's why it's so nice.
Yeah. Must be. Cool.
All right.
Go up real slow with it.
Clears everything good?
Yes, I mean, go ahead up. I mean, it's just very, 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 very.
What about a stop here, like an
Right
arm here, and you drop down and put it on here or something?
Kind of risky. What we'll do is put some rubber stops right here,
Yeah, we're gonna put
Yep.
some
To lift it
can
off of that.
on there.
but I don't want it to. Well, this is thicker than. Is that quarter inch? That seems like a thicker.
That's
than
quarter, yeah, that's quarter.
windshield, that's for sure.
So we got plenty of room.
Plenty of room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wrapping the material around that?
Eddie will do something on it.
So that'll
Yeah.
make it softer on the window. Set on there real nice. New material.
All right. I like it. So
Herman
we
Munster would not like it. He wouldn't be able to fit in there, but
put a hole on top of it
maybe
and
we
stick
can
his
put a
head
hole for
out.
Herman. Hole in the floor for Fred Flintstone.
Yep. All right. So take it apart. Let's get some primer on that puppy and.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, pull them pins and it'll come right off. Let's see that.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Oh, look at that.
Right to the back, I'm gonna come towards you, Dave.
Come on around.
That'll work.
Let's set this like this, so we got.
Okay, we'll do the side hustle. Gibby's got a side hustle going on for the frog follies. I didn't mention the frog
Well-
follies yet. Frog follies coming up like really soon.
I owe somebody a pan, 2 people.
Oh, and pans, what do you mean?
Well, the one guy bought a pan, I signed it, he wants to hang it on the wall, he wants another one.
Oh, okay.
He wants another one. And then somebody else called and wanted one.
Okay, so Gibby made this pan
Well, first,
a while ago.
these are all
And
cutouts.
those are cutouts from a UTI, from the Universal Technical Institute. We build cars for them.
Right.
And it's the firewall cutout
Right.
for the transom.
So I was here one night and I go to sweep the floor and I have no dustpan.
And you made a dustpan.
So
out
I
of that.
see the shape of this and I'm like, hey, I can make a dustpan out of that.
Cool handle, everything.
Right. Cool
So I
handle,
seen the
self-standing.
dustpan and I picked it up and I offered it because we were talking about Earl Scheib.
Yeah.
$29.95. Any
you
car, any
sold.
color. So I sold his dustpan.
And other ones that I've never,
Well, we didn't sell them. We
got
So anyway, we're gonna take that many, however many that is,
minus one.
minus one.
I'm keeping one.
No, all your stuff is gone. So now, for real, I'm offering your box.
One.
Matter of fact, we might even deliver it in how many
We
got
got
there?
7.
7.
So
You'll side hustle them in Evansville.
yeah, I'm gonna take them to Evan.
Okay. So
Now Josh Mail.
we're gonna
one
deliver your
gentleman.
box to somebody in Evansville.
Oh, really?
$5,000. You build another one for $5,000?
Yeah, that'd be something.
Gotta have the fan working.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on that tonight.
And you got your power in it already.
Yep. Here's my power.
It's got a name. Scott named it. What is it called? Something
Somebody called it the.
Frankenbox or something.
I call it my middle name's Frank. I'm Gilbert Frank Steinhaus, so I call this Frankenstein.
The Frankenstein box.
Okay, because it's just a bunch of. But somebody named it the tool compound.
The tool compound. Well, you can name it whatever you want. It's got a beware of dogs. So Gibby's a sticker collector already. Who knows how many more stickers
For
it'll
rent.
have. It's for rent, yeah.
It's got lights.
It's got a light bar. You're gonna have to clean that up. That looks chintzy.
I know.
Yeah, no, they do something nice there.
Yeah.
Where's all your stickers? You ain't put them on yet?
I didn't put them on yet.
Oh, so you're sticker collecting.
Yeah. It's all up at Trinity.
It's got serious wheels on it, and actually,
Yeah.
you can get some momentum downhill with this thing.
Yeah.
Got a fire extinguisher on it. Look at that. We're ready. Got it all.
Yeah.
I think we rhino lined the
It's
top
got
of
a
the.
garbage can.
Got a garbage can. Yeah. I can't believe
It's got a
it.
calendar board.
What did you do this week? Yeah. Okay.
I mean, we got paper towel holder. We got
Oh, it's even
glove holder.
color coordinated paper towel holder and
Yeah.
glove holder, and a place for, I guess, your
That's
hoses.
for my extension cord I
Your
plug in
extension
with.
cord. All right.
Because that don't get put in the box. You can see we got a rag box
A
holder.
rag box. Man. Okay.
And a fan. Handle.
$5,000. That actually, it's kind of been used, but everything quality on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Heavy duty. Gibby's selling his box. I can't believe you would do it. I wouldn't sell my box. All right, let's finish out the video. You guys are still working for a while. It's still,
Yeah.
it ain't the end of the day, but man, I am blown out. I'm gonna go home and take a nap in my recliner, the air conditioner. I may come back tonight, but so this is, you're working on the brakes, right?
Yep.
Excommunicado. Let's get the brakes lined up.
Yep.
Let them, bleed them, let them bleed them. Drive shaft is in.
Yep. I got to set the pinion angle, square the rear, square the rear end up side to side and stuff. The front end's done.
Josh said the moto meter's coming. He said this is here somewhere,
Okay.
so we're gonna have to get that
Okay.
on. Wipe it down.
Wipe it down. I
Have it ready to go into Eddie's room Monday.
I got rear end gear oils in it. I have to change the motor oil and put trans fluid in it.
Okay.
Antifreeze, fuel. I'm ready to fire this thing.
Well, let's let Eddie get the windshield and the top on it.
Okay.
Get it ready for him Monday. Put him in there.
Okay.
But today he's gone for the day, but he was working on this car, the orange one. You want to give the orange one a name and not pumpkin.
I'll think about the weekend.
So he's wiring wiring it up. We're gonna put the gauges in and the wires. Customer's gonna put the motor in. They live right next to each other. Tim from
Louisiana, Tim?
Louisiana, Tim. Yeah,
This guy or Green Machine?
both of them together.
Oh, really?
It was like 15 miles from each other, so they got to know each other.
Really?
They were going to take him home at the same time, but no, I guess he's going to come pick it up. I don't know what the story is. But this is like, maybe he wants a gas tank now too. We're talking about how many gallons. If we go underneath, you can't get that many gallons, but if we go in the car, you can get a lot more gallons. So, anyway, we got the upholstery for it. That'll go in it. I think Eddie finishes up the wiring kit. And we need to, so before we put it together, we need to drill a hole here for the wires to come through. All we're gonna do, you already got these made.
We're just gonna run a piece of wire.
We're gonna run a wire through there to there.
Stand to here.
So that he can pull the wires through. Because he's gonna have to pull it out to put the motor and trans in. We gotta paint. We got any more orange to paint?
I don't know.
I don't either. So we'll have to figure that out. So this one's about to go home.
These bodies are different than the buckets, aren't they?
Yeah.
In the front?
Yeah.
So I'll have to drill a hole in that too then? Or like
Oh
that?
yeah.
Because the buckets
Drill a hole
are
for the-
hollow behind it.
Yeah.
You know, behind that.
Oh, Eddie's doing the wiring. You don't-
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to worry about that. You got
Okay.
that.
Oh, then I won't worry about it.
We
I
just
mean,
gotta
we'll
make
drill
sure.
the hole here.
We gotta drill a hole here.
Where at?
Well, make sure you go underneath the body. I think it'd look kind of silly if we ran the wires on top of the frame for a while and then stuck it in there.
Yeah, that
It
would
probably look not good.
Look out of control.
All right,
Okay, cool.
so I'm out of here.
Go to the house.